India, India, India! The crowd went crazy after they heard that India won the Miss Universe after a long 21 years. I'm sure you're proud too that the tag of Miss Universe has been given to India. Well, why are you hearing this here? It's because today in this video we are going to reveal 3 lessons that you should learn from Harnaaz Sandhu, which in turn will help you to be the better version of yourself. Let's get started. Number 1. Do not believe in the negativity. Although Harnaaz has gained immense respect and fame from the title, and she deserves it all, but can you believe that there were times where she struggled emotionally and mentally? That's right, while going through this hard phase, she was being looked down upon by many people because she was considered to be very thin. But she made it a point that she would not let that hinder her growth, but instead allowed her don't focus on negativity attitude to speak for her success. So, as students, we need to remember that we shouldn't allow ourselves to be affected by the negativity around us, but rather look beyond those troubles and move forward. That is one lesson that you can give to those who bother you. Number 2. Be courageous and believe in yourself. It is very easy for us to be scared or even get anxious about our thoughts and ideas at times, but one thing that Harnaaz always followed, that she believed in herself. She always believed that she is in charge of herself, and hence today she is also considered to be a voice for the voiceless. She would do anything to stand up and face the crowd rather than hide and feel bad for herself. And the outcome of it is that when you take courage, you can even motivate those around you to not just be okay with everything, but rather speak up whenever you have to. Number 3. Believe in what you dream. Yes, that's right. One thing that can hinder your growth is yourself, because believe it or not, at times there are various things that can happen to us as students. Maybe less marks, anxiety, or even family pressure. Talking about struggle, Harnaaz comes from a family background which is associated with farming. Imagine if she would have given up on her dream of becoming such a known person at a young age. Who would have thought that her ever-persuading attitude could lead her into such a massive life-changing event? Friends, one lesson to be learned here is that no matter what happens, don't give up on yourself. You have so much to give to this world. Believe in yourself and see yourself succeed. So, these were some of the things that you can learn from Harnaaz Sandhu. Also, I'm sure with all the negativity around you, it's very difficult to stay positive. Click on this to know more about it. Until then, goodbye.